we have 3x squared minus 30x plus 48. We always want to remember old school factoring. What I mean by that is we can always look for a number known as a factor or a variable known as a letter to pull out before we do any of the crazy magic x factoring stuff. So let's pull out a 3 here. Then we're left with x squared minus 10x plus 16. So then we do our x, and then we're like, okay, in this case, a is 1. I'll just write it here. A is 1. B is negative 10. Ooh, that's an equals. And then C equals 16. So we do the A times C magic here. That's going to be 16. And the B is negative 10. So what multiplies to give me 16 adds to give me negative 10? I'm going to go with a negative 8, negative 2 combo. And you might be asking yourself, hey, man, how does he get these numbers so fast? And I will say, if you rep this out, like you do 100 reps of this, man, the numbers will just come to you like Matrix, like Neo in the Matrix. Okay, so we continue. So we're going to make, remember this middle term, this negative 10x is going to be now negative 8x and negative 2x. So it's going to be x squared minus 8x minus 2x plus 16. And you know what we do from here? We're like, hey, we're going to chop this up, break it up, and factor by grouping here. Okay, so we're going to keep the 3 still outside. And then we're like, okay, what factors out of x squared and negative 8x? It's going to be an x. Sorry for squeaking that in right there. That's going to be x minus 8. And then remember the magic, x minus 8 is going to be here. So we're going to have a repeat of these two parenthetical terms, x minus 8, x minus 8. That is a guarantee. Now we continue. What factors out between negative 2x and 16? I'm going to say a negative 2. You might have said, hey, man, what about a positive 2? And it's like, well, the negative 2 makes this x minus 8 work. Okay, so we continue. Then we have 3. And then we're going to have this x minus 2 times the quantity x minus 8. Let me highlight this just so you can see some salient points here. We get this x minus 2. That's where we get there. And then the other one is that x minus 8, that's there. And then we're going to box our answer. Why do we box the answer or circle the answer? So our teacher can see that that is our answer. That's where we finished. Your teacher, whether you're like your teacher, professor, instructor, or not, that is your boss. You have to do things to make your boss's life a little easy. One of them is circling, boxing, or underline your answers. Some students of mine have actually had to highlight them, but I've already highlighted, so we're stuck with that little circle of mine. Okay, good luck.